See? Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I make my hasselback potatoes. Very easy, simple recipe. I got a taste for some steak, so I got me some steak, yeah. But I want some hasselback potatoes, so these are the ingredients that you will need. You need some olive oil, butter, and season, your choice. If you just want salt and pepper or just salt on your potato, that's fine. But for mine, I want seasoning, salt, accents, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. So what we're going to do, go ahead and put your oven on for preheated to 400 degrees while we do this. So first thing we're going to do is coat the potato in some cooking oil. So I'm gonna rub this in a minute. Go ahead and rub this whole potato in just like that. Make sure the oil is completely coated on there. Okay, we're gonna take a knife and we're just gonna cut slits in it, but you don't want to cut the slits to where the potato fall down, so don't go too far down. Okay, see? Go ahead and do your other potato. I'm just doing me too. So now I get your olive oil and just pour some just directly over that. This is going to go inside the slits. You can go ahead and just break them open a little bit. Make sure that oil and stuff get down on each one. I'm going to sit these on a plate because I want to clean up this grease because I don't want that all sparkling in there. So go ahead and clean this off and come back. We're just going to sit this to the side for now. We're going to go ahead and make us season for our potatoes. So you put like a half a stick of butter. I like a lot of butter. And you're going to just melt this. Don't melt it all the way to where it's, melt it, but watch it. So put it in there for like 10 seconds. Well, y'all, unfortunately, that container I had a hole in it, but we're going to carry on. Go ahead and sprinkle you some, whatever seasons you like. I got onion powder, and I put a lot of garlic powder because I love a garlic potato. Garlic powder, some pepper, some accent, and some seasoning salt. Now I got one of these little things, so go ahead and mix this all together. Okay, let's get our potatoes back. Go ahead and place them on here. And you're gonna take this and make sure you drizzle this, make sure it get in the pockets of the potato. So kind of like open them up, because you want all that to drizzle down. Let me just sit this close. Yeah, this is better. Go ahead and do the bottom of that too. Just pour a little bit. You're going to save some of this because you're going to need this for your second basting. So I'm just really just pouring a little bit, just like that, and so it can drip down there. Go ahead and put this in the oven on 400 for 45 minutes. We're going to come back and baste them. Then we'll be back. Okay, we are back. They're out of the oven. But we're still not finished. Remember that extra butter and seasons we had? We're going to go ahead and put some more on each one. And then place this back in the oven for 20 more minutes. I'm just going to drizzle the rest on one or the other. Okay, put this back in the oven for 20 minutes and then we're gonna come back and it should be done. But you can keep checking it. Poke, a hole, a little toothpick, how you check to make sure your potato is done. But 20 minutes should be fine and we'll be back. Okay, you all, we are back. Look. Ooh, hold on. Yes, we got our hasselback potato. Let me put one on my plate. Which one do I want? Okay, let me take this potato. Sometimes it will be kind of a little sticky, but it's okay. Place this on the plate. Let me move this extra potato I have. Look, I have me a steak here because that's what I want to eat. Let's get into here. Now, I usually add sour cream and stuff. I am after I show y'all this. I just want to look how the inside of this look. See, I just broke this down. So let me show y'all. Fully cooked all the way in the inside. Let's taste it. It's me, I'm adding sour cream and cheese to my potato. But I just wanted to show you this. Very good. Very well seasoned. You know something I forgot to say? You can use any kind of potato. It really don't matter what kind of potato. As long as you try to cut up the lines, not too thick, and get all that stuff in between, you will be fine. Honey, let me get this. This beer glass cup in a glass straw is also on my Amazon store. I'll have the link below. But yeah, let me get to eat, and I'm gonna have to holler at y'all later. Thanks for tuning in with this edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen, showing you how I make my hasselback potato. Let me see. Show me how you make yours. If you tried mine, comment below. Make sure you share this so other people can get this. Until we meet again, everyone have a blessed day. I'm ready to eat.